Hey Glimmerinos, we're gonna do the last few steps of this project. Have you been following along our adventure while we've been creating this project step by step? And we've been having so much fun doing different things with it and kind of building on the style of the design. So in one video we made this entire wreath here, and we taught you how to put these pieces in place in order to get this gorgeous lush look with the ginkgo leaves and the berries. And then on another video, we showed you how to make this scrap bow right here in order to kind of take your wreath attachment to the next level and make it look different than others that will have the same attachment as you. If you need the link to either of these videos, just let us know. They're all in the supply list for this project, and you can watch the whole progression as we bring the project together. But our very last step is to add the bunny head to the wreath. Because this is on a nice little wire frame under here, it's got a lot of stability. All we need to do is just take an awl that's kind of like an ice pick, and it has this little pointy tip, and it goes really easily through fabric, and it can poke right through it. I make this little pokey poke through the back, okay? We give him a piercing. This bunny's been wanting to get a piercing, whether he wants it or not. Then we're gonna pull that out, and then all we've got to do is run a cable tie, or you can use a wire. They have a little bit more rigidity, so they're a little bit easier to get through here. And then you just run that right through there. And I'm gonna come over to my wreath base. And this wreath is just so sweet the way we designed it to where the bunny can just sit right in there. Isn't that adorable? And we're gonna put it right in. Let me move you guys over so you can see it really good here. There we go. So I'm gonna put the bunny in right here to the little hole we left. And then we'll just take and cable tie him right in. And now we're gonna get this nice and tight right here to this part of the, you won't even notice. He'll be sitting in there so cute. And I'll just take some wire cutters and trim off the cable tie part. Just like that. Now my last step is I'm gonna just fluff out his little scrap bow we made to go on there. And these ears have wires. And then he's set, ready to go. And not only did you learn how to make this one design wreath, but we showed you 3 different ways to work with the same concept to kind of take it different directions. And that's the kind of tips and tricks I teach you every week in design school. And we would love to have you in our class so you don't miss another minute of learning how to design and all the skills, tips, and tricks that you need to take your work to the next level. We don't want you just pushing and shoving things in. I want you to have proper placement and learn how to create lines, depth, and dimension in your pieces. And I'd love to show you. So come join us in design school. And y'all, if you need the links to any of this, just ask in the comments. We'll send you to the supply list. And the supply list has links for everything. And you won't ever be lost again. All right, Glimmerinos, we'll see you next time. Go have fun with flowers, and don't miss this project. This was a blast creating.